Serious, adeɛ bi ɛrekɔ so wɔ Ghana football mu a, I think it's about time let's address it urgently, and it is very unfair to Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Accra folk, and all the clubs are ball ɛwɔ Ghana Premier League, even Division 1, Division 2 for ni nyinaa, because ɛha adwene wonim sɛ Ghana transfer window no ebe close next week Sunday. After Sunday, twema Ghana transfer window no close, but Ghana Premier League no, and as a Ghana football season ni nyan hyase yet will be close to transfer window. Ghana Football Association de more yeno here there GFA for and this flower about closing registration window Sunday 25th August 2024 11:59 p.m. and also 8 days more ebe go ho na the GFA for no they are putting the clubs under severe pressure, and almost sama you league na say the clubs wouldn't have any option to boost their squad. I mean, can you nyina ya dwen si ade bi so English Premier League no ashasi you. English Premier League na nyina we are aspiring to get close to omo level of competitiveness no. Omo league no ashasi omo bo. So Friday and omo shasi. Memfa say omo league na say 17th and I say 16th of August, middle of August. But transfer window no omo close no. Omo sama another 2 weeks. So they are going to close the transfer window at the end of August. Until everyone said 31st August. And omo close the transfer window no. Even though so you are Premier League na no. This is to give room for the Premier League clubs to boost their squad. Obi wo be a recruitment or wanye ni ye. Inti ye league na say 2 weeks no wakwa dey we boost the squad, and as injury be back quickly 2 weeks no we boost. But o Ghana no o league no obesha ase September 6 yenyan she league na se no o se wa close transfer window 25th August. Where is the sense in this? Where is the sense? Kromu asa to na bia wan so ho so a be di mpanyifo na tem ade we me dem pese obi be kire me the sense in it. Say yenyan she league ase wo se transfer window wa close no. Where does this happen? Because how the unnecessary and undue pressure cry na to clubs no so. Utu mfo nyankopon. Amen.